this is Sunny, the Urban Diva, and I'm coming to you with the awesome signature drink. It's called Father's Day in honor of our dads and all the great ones in the world, so why not honor them with a great drink? So I posted the ingredients, so I'm gonna break it down real quick how to make a quick, delicious Father's Day drink. So you're gonna need your shaker. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is bust open this Johnny Walker. I already busted open, as you can see, because I had to make sure this drink was fantabulous, and it is. So I'm gonna put some ice into the shaker. So I'm gonna make a double because it's a good drink. So what I'm gonna do is a double. You know, one drink is 2 ounces, but I'm doing a double, so I'm doing 4 ounces of the Black Label. This is making 2 drinks. Ooh, and God's green earth to, what's this? Hold on. Okay, so then we're gonna do, like I said, the 4 ounces of the label. Then we're gonna do some drained sugarcane juice. I drained some. So it's usually 1 ounce, but I'm doing 2 ounces because I'm doubling it. 2 ounces of the sugarcane juice. Yes, I drained it in a little janky ass container because I had to store this in order to store the sugarcane inside of the, you know, I had to soak the sugarcane inside of the Black Label to give it that good taste. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. So then we're going to do 2 caps of grenadine. 1, 2. 2 caps of the rose sweetened lime juice. 1, 2. I'm speeding because I gotta do something. Okay, so then we take some grated ginger. Yeah, skin on and everything. Put that grated ginger up in there. Yes. And then we're going to take some grated lemon peel. Because we're not using bitters. Because bitters is a little condiment that goes with liquor that tastes great with whiskey. But we're not using bitters. Then we're going to take a couple of pieces of peppermint. Drop it up in there. And last but not least is some pineapple juice. So it's really supposed to be 2 ounces, but since I'm making a double, it's gonna be 4 ounces. There we go. I think this is a 4 ounce can. Let me shake. Here we're gonna edit it again. And we're gonna make this drink bigger, and you could tweak the flavors to your liking, but this is how it goes because I left out one of the ingredients when I made it earlier, so we're gonna just see how I go in the edits. But what I'm gonna do is I have actually 1 glass that's already, you know, prepped the ice, and I'm gonna literally garnish now. So I just poured a drink in there. So I have some pre-soaked inside of some Black Label Johnny Walker sugarcane, and I put some fresh mint leaf, you know, in the glass. I know you're supposed to put the garnish in afterwards, but see, this drink is totally against whatever you think is gonna be. It's so effing good. Okay, so you can garnish in a glass, a little mint leaf. Show you. See, this is how cute that is. Okay. So I'm making an extra strong one because I'm actually putting some later, like in a pitcher or little containers. I will put. I'm gonna do 6. This is for 6. So you're gonna do 6 shots of the Black Label. This is to serve 3 people. 3. This is going to be a doozy. 6. Okay. So we're just going to tweak it according to that. So for 6, it gets 3 ounces of the sugarcane juice. Okay, that's 3. Then we're gonna grate some fresh ginger. You could be heavy-handed because it's for 3 people. So you're gonna be heavy-handed accordingly. And lemon peel. Be generous because we're not using bitters, as I said. Bitters has a very distinctive taste. So what I forgot to do in the last video is add the lemon squeeze. Don't matter if no seeds because you're using a strainer. I'm gonna put a little bit of mint. I'm gonna put some mint leaves in that strainer just for the shake. And then with the rose lime juice, sweet lime juice, you're gonna do 3 caps because you're gonna do a cap per 2 ounces of the Johnny Walker. Then you're gonna do 3 caps of grenadine. 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna add 6 ounces of pineapple juice instead of, because you're doing 2 ounces. So 6-ounce can. I believe this is. Yep. Give it a good shake. Now, beside your garnish glass. Oopsie, don't spill. There you go. Happy Father's Day.